will come here and it will.
You will go from inside?
La, here. I told him. Here.
Here, I see the mark on your finger.
That's okay.
That's right.
Morning guys. Good morning. Ngayon mag-present si Kian ng project niya sa English. But Habibi, if you cannot poke, tell to your teacher to help you to poke here, okay?
I will try to poke it
Lan.
by myself.
Not like that one. You will break it.
Take a
Poke short
square.
this way. Take another one. Two.
But then if he loves this one, then we'll move. So we put it in like pocket.
Ayan, okay
Move,
na.
Ate, you said move?
Hold well, ate, okay?
Come on, we put it in the front.
If he's somebody...
Kids, Ate, if you took, you can sit in the back. I think.
Or in the in front, in the ground, somebody will pass by.
Then step on it, and then correct the water. Yes, we gotta put it in the front. We're gonna put it in the back. I decided to put my bag like this. I did not. No,
Okay.
I just put it next. I just put it I just put it on the chair. Like Thomas will sit on the extra chair. No, and then the plane should be.
I don't know.
Landslide.
You can read Kian.
Yes, landslide. Here. Oh, I think you should be facing your.
Here, it should be here, Mama. You sit here, you stand here. If the...
Landslide.
Mm.
A landslide is a mass movement of material, such as rocks, earth, or debris. It's down a slope.
Okay, you can down the slope. You can make it poke, but then continue.
Okay, I'll try to remember.
Uh,
They can happen suddenly or move. Okay. I get confused with move and more. Or more slowly over long periods of time. And then it will show how it's slow.
Before you read the day, you poke here. Yan is slope.
Wait, do I say landslide and then I begin a landslide, or just say a landslide?
Landslide. Yan, iba din. You say a landslide is a mass movement.
Okay. Do I start the explaining like what I put in the data and then I start to read the data?
How you explain yan eh? Explain by your own. No?
Okay.
Or you read this one? I don't.
She's a mean teacher. No,
Really?
she's not a mean.
Okay. Ihatid ko lang ito guys. Is a project. Ayan, pumasok na sila. Hello, ako, suot ng sombrero kasi magluluto ako ba. Mahangin. Oh. Kaya inaano ni Mr. yung curtain namin, baka matanggal ulit. Like yung 2 years ago ba, na nahulog, buntik ako natamaan. Nagsasambay ako, pagkatapos ako nagsampay, nahulog siya. Kaya sabi ko, anuhin niya ba? I-roll niya konti. Mahangin siya. What? Ang taas ng tanggalin ko mamaya pag patapos ako magluto. Hi guys, nagluluto ako ng malfoof. Malfoof is cabbage. Ito yung may rice sa loob. Yan oh. Rice, minced meat, salt. Ilagyan ko ng salt and black pepper. Maraming beses ko na ito na i-vlog. Tapos ito yung cabbage. Yan, binold ko siya. Tapos ilagay ko sa loob yung meat. Yung stock pala. Parang ano, sushi. May nag-request kasi, pakita ko daw ito. Paano lutuin ang malaking cabbage. So, ganito. Ayan. Kita nyo? I-roll lang na ganito. Ganyan. 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 Hatiin natin kasi mas gusto ng mga bata yung konti lang ang ano niya. Ganito. Tapos, ilagay dito. Dito ko ilagay. Ganyan guys. Naalala ko kasi, si sis, ano na yun? Kalimutan ko na yung name. SFNY ata yun. Sabi niya, Laura, ipakita mo naman sa amin yung paggawa ng kung paano mo lutuin ang yung cabbage. Maraming beses ko na itong pinakita. Mahirap ito gawin ba? Kaya lang, kailangan lutuin kasi alam nyo, Lebanese food eh. Ay nako. Hindi ba ako nagluluto ng Pilipino? Nagluluto naman ako pero hindi yung madalas. Ito talaga Lebanese food talaga ang niluluto ko. Kapag gusto lang ng mga bata like yung bihon, adobo, tinola, nagluluto ako guys. Kaya lang, syempre, andito tayo sa Lebanon. So nakasanayan na nila ang Lebanese food. Minsan lang talaga ako nagluluto ng Filipino food. So, yun. Ganun lang guys. Parang parang sushi. Lagay lang sa loob yung meat. Nakasombrero ako kasi itong buko, nag-start na naman naglalagas. Ewan ko ba. Kaya nahuhulog pa sa laba ay sa sahig. Ayaw ng asawa ko ang maraming buhok basa na nakakalat sa sahig. Ganito yung buhok ko ngayon. Kaya noong 2 years ago nagpaputol ako. Maiksi. Pero ayaw ko na magpaputol ba gaya last time para akong lalaki. Big 60. Yan. Ganito lang guys. Madali lang kapag sanay ka na. Pero pag di ka sanay na kagaya ko, mabagal ako magawa. Kasi hindi basta-basta. Isa ito sa pinakamahirap. Pati yung dahon ng grapes. Mahirap din yung gawin. Kaya lang, ang mga anak ko, gusto nila ito. Maganda din naman para makakain sila ng gulay. Paulit-ulit lang din naman ang kinakain nila, ganun. Kaya sa atin din naman guys, paulit-ulit, diba? Hindi mawawala sa atin ang adobo. Hindi mawawala ang igado. Pinakbet, mga gulay-gulay. Ganon din lang naman sa kanila. Kaya nakikita nyo na lagi ko ito niluluto. Ayan. Once a month, ganon. Basta pag maalala ko lang ba, gagawa ako. Pero pag di ko maalala, marami akong option na lutuin. Kaya gumawa ako ngayong araw. $12 na, hindi pa ako nakaluto, nakahanda ba. Tagal talaga ito guys, sobra. Isa sa pinakamahirap na gawin. Buti yung iba, gisa-gisa mo lang din. Ito talaga na i-roll mo pa na, alam nyo. Kaya minsan iniiwasan ko ito na lutuin eh. Pero pag yung mister ko kasi may maalala niya, bili tayo ng cabbage. So, hindi ako makatanggi kasi ito ang luto ng cabbage nila. ikain nila ito sa yogurt, yung laban. Yan. Yung sinasabi ko na ano, fresh milk ba yun? O, laban tawag nila. Halib. Yung iba, halib. Halib is milk. 2 hours ko ito matapos. I-slow ko ito. Malaki kasi ng cabbage ba? Hiwain ko pa ito. Wala yung bilan ko kasi pumunta siya sa ano, ipakita niya yung resulta ng ano niya guys, blood test niya. Ganon lang ang lifestyle ng bilan ko sa every month yan na may ano. Tapusin ko lang ito and then mamaya ulit. Pagtapos ko na, ipakita ko, lalagyan ko ito ng maraming bawang, garlic. Hi guys, tapos na ako. So ang gagawin ko, lagyan ko ito ng asin, yung salt, black pepper, and then mint, yung dried na nana. Tawag nila nana. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon kasi ito. Tapos lalagyan natin ito mamaya ng tubig. Para hindi magbuka. Maraming beses ko na itong naluto. Kaya lang si sis, sabi niya, pakita ko daw paano ko lutuin. Lagyan din nila ito ng lemon kasi maasim dapat ito guys. Ang mga Lebanese, mahilig sila sa maasim na pagkain. Ito naman is yung nana, yung mint. Dry mint ito. So, lagyan natin konti lang. Pampabango. Yun. And then yung pinggan, kung ano. So, itong plate, ilagay natin dito. Ganyan, para hindi siya bubuka. So, lagyan na natin ng tubig. Okay. May dagdag pa ako dyan para mabigat siya. Ito, oh. Ganyan na siya, guys. Nilagyan ko na siya ng tubig. And then, slow cook ko ito. Ganun lang. Yan. Dagdagan pa natin ng tubig kasi ano siya. Okay. Tapos may lagyan natin ng lemon. So, slow cook lang ito. Ay, thank God, tapos na ako. Ganyan lang yung apoy ko, guys. Mahina lang siya. Okay. Slow cook. Okay. Antayusin natin dito. Kasombrero pa rin ako. Ito, pagkain ko sa aso. Manok. Ang hirap. Okay, ipakita ko mamaya pagluto na. Okay guys, andito na ang mga bata. What's your project?
The Mr. Han.
Wala man up?
Yeah.
Mr. Han.
No.
He does not let me talk.
Where
I
is
got
it?
9.5 over 10 and 7.
Where is the Haida? Bravo. Where is the Zala? Tell me. What happened?
English teacher. She said we're gonna keep it because our principal, she didn't come and see it, so I kept it there.
All of you?
With the cards.
It's okay. But how you present?
I mean, we didn't have time.
What?
First of all, we did the volcano eruptions from the people.
For Thomas?
And Kamena, I did she took me a picture, but we didn't get to do the surprise.
What surprise?
The sand.
Why? You did not present?
No, but I showed them.
Why you did not do the sand? I told you.
What sand?
Do.
We didn't have. But she said tomorrow she would read the whole day.
How the others make?
They make good. They all did the volcanoes.
Volcanoes kilo?
Because they say it's easy to do the whole eruptions.
How about landslide?
Landslide's good.
Only you?
Only me.
But it's not nice what the teacher said.
She said it's nice. All of them are nice.
What the teacher said, Yane?
She said they're all nice.
Only you did not represent the Haida
Others come
landslide?
in, Mommy. Others.
So what?
Because we're all going through the volcanoes.
Mafi landslide?
No. It was only, Mommy, it was me landslide, 2 earthquakes, 1 flood, blizzard, and others.
I got mine in the quarter over 10 and 10.
Also, I need to go to the
Bravo.
toilet, so move.
Bas Haida, damat.
Math, she didn't give to us this. She usually gives that to every Tuesday or Wednesday.
Bravo. Bravo, mom.
Why do you
Haida,
hold it like this?
Haida tita teach you?
No, I don't.
Bravo. Bravo, Haida.
I knew I had to be but I studied. I don't know.
Bravo. Okay. Ay, nakandito na sila. Oh my God. Kaluto na ako. Ano ko na lang. Ipagkita ko pala yung iluluto ko. Naluto ko na pala yan. Naluto ko na siya. Amoy bawang na may mint. Init. Yan siya guys, bango-bango kasi may bawang siya and mint. Wow. Yan. Kain na po kami. Ilagay ko ito sa middle kasi kapag ilagay ko ito sa, alam nyo, sa lalagyan, ma-disform yung roll. Cabbage roll.
Someone's in the bathroom.
Okay, yala. Sige na guys, kain na.
I like the smell of lemon. The bottle.
So you will, he did not teach you to make it?
I did take a picture, but I didn't have like the time.
He did you take picture?
No.
No comment?
Sure.
Dahil na the English?
What? I don't understand.
You said you did not take picture.
I did take picture, but I didn't have time to do like the whole the surprise of the soil, and I couldn't take the cars back because Mr. Han was supposed to take a picture.
He is not there?
No.
When you will make tomorrow?
Yeah.
But Thomas, he make it?
Yes, he did it. I told you. The miss did with all the